everybody, welcome to M&S, and today we're going to be doing
repair of a Fisher & Paykel condenser dryer. Is your Fisher & Paykel condenser dryer squeaking, rumbling, stopping, not starting?
Yes.
It's a very easy fix.
Okay, and what's been happening is
These rollers wear out that hold the drum central.
and what you're going to be needing is
2 screwdrivers, a replacement kit for the drum rollers,
you can order it online, and
a simple spanner. It only takes about an hour. You can do it yourself, or if you're not confident, get a technician in. It'll only take him half to 1 hour.
let's get into it.
You will only need this simple screwdriver to take off the top and the covers. Very easy and accessible. Start by undoing the screws under here for the top. 1, 2. 2 at the front. Then lift it up, drag it back, and the top is off simply. Then all you have to do is remove the screws down the side for the side at the back. Lift it sideways, up, and it's off both sides.
Do the same for both sides.
Here is the offending wheel. This is one removed from the other side. As you can see, very worn out. The dryer will not work properly. Here is a brand new one. All you have to do is remove the nut, and here with your spanner put in the new wheel. Okay, as you can see, we've fitted the new wheel. Only took about 5 minutes. Very easy job. Now we're going to do the second side. As you can see, the drum is now turning nice and free with no hold-ups. The dryer will work perfectly now. Okay, those rollers, when they wear out, they leave a lot of debris. So now we're going to clean it out with the air hose. If you don't have an air hose, just use that air spray can. As you can see, the dryer is now like brand new. We are now going to put the sides on. Okay, now that side's on, screw it back.
And now you're just going to need to do this side. Testing.
As you can see now, it's running beautifully.
Thanks for watching, and that's how you repair the dryer. Hey guys, welcome to M&S, and today we're going to be doing
repair a Are you waiting for me?